Hello guys, today we'll be working on text prompt so that we can prompt AI to give us a particular text effect like this. Like for example, what you're seeing on my screen here, we have a prompt to test this, to get this particular design. So we want to test it out now on ChatGPT. Straightforward without no waste of time. Come to ChatGPT here. We'll open ChatGPT. So first, the link of that, the prompt will be in the description of the video at the end of this video. Please comment prompt so that you can have it. So right now, we'll paste the prompt. You can also follow it and type. So let me write Godwin. So we're hoping to see the best of this prompt. Let's, in the middle here, let me delete. What's going on? This misbehaving. I think the portal is misbehaving. I think that's why we can't get any at the moment. Or let's improvise. Let's create a new, come to Word here. We can now paste our prompt, and then you will make our edition. Let's change it to Godwin here. Godwin. In capital data. So we'll copy it back. So we'll come to our prompt here. And then we'll paste it. Let's delete everything from here. Let's delete it. We'll clear everything so that we'll paste our new prompt. I don't know why. I think their server is more. We paste and then. So right now, let's wait and see its image creation, what it has to give us. Let's wait for the particular prompt. And if it works, I think that particular prompt is way beyond our imagination, and it's detailed too. So I'll be dropping most of this prompt without no waste of time. Wow. So can you see what he has given me? There's a difference. There's a bit difference in what we have. For instance, it's good. It's actually very, very nice. Only that the outline gave me, this is quite similar, and this is very fine. So please, if you love anything about this tutorial, please let us know, and then we'll see you in our next tutorial. Please don't forget. And this prompt, I'll copy it in the description of this video. Don't forget. So please remember to subscribe and support us so that we'll continue making videos like this.